The Audi TT EV, also referred to as the TT successor, TT EVO, or electric sports car previewed by the Concept C, is Audi's upcoming all-electric, two-seater sports car. Designed to revive the spirit of the iconic TT Coupe discontinued in 2023 in the EV era. It's not officially called TT EV yet. Audi has been careful with naming, but it's widely seen as the spiritual successor, positioned as a highly emotional compact sports car. Between the old TT and R8, this model aims to fill the gap left by the TT and R8 with minimalist design, cutting-edge electric tech, and driver-focused dynamics. As of January 15, 2026, the car remains in prototype or testing phase. The Audi Concept C, unveiled in September 2025 at IOM Mobility, previews it closely a Targa-style electric two-seater with radical simplicity. Audi CEO Gernot Dollner called it a TT moment 2.0 and confirmed production intent. Spy shots of mules, often disguised as Porsche 718 Boxster EV bodies, have appeared since 2025. Launch timeline: debut or reveal expected late 2026 or early 2027. Some reports say 2027 full unveil. Production start likely 2027. Market launch on sale 2028. Model year delivery starting late 2027 or early 2028 in key markets like Europe, North America, and China. The timeline aligns with Porsche's 718 electron volts delays, originally 2025. Now pushed back since the cars share significant architecture, design, and styling. The design draws from the Concept C and historical influences. 1930s Auto Union Type C racer, minimalist, clean lines with a long hood, cab back proportions, and fighter jet-like canopy. Small, flush black panel grille, no oversized single frame. Slim LED headlights for line drill graphic echoing Audi rings. Targa-style removable roof confirmed for some versions for open-air driving. Rear features exposed elements, wide stance, and active aero for downforce. Proportions: mid-engine feel despite EV layout, low slung, no front overhang. It's more grand tourer than pure track car, emphasizing road enjoyment over circuit extremes. Interior and technology: the Concept C shows radical simplicity. Minimal controls, haptic steering wheel, single 1.0-inch folding central screen, warm gray fabric or leather, aluminum accents, no excess buttons. Production version expected to keep clean layout but add practical features. Advanced software from Rivian collaboration, EE architecture, OTA updates, high connectivity, safety, level 2 plus autonomy, advanced ADAS. It's driver-centric with a focus on emotional engagement over gadget overload. Powertrain and performance: fully electric, likely on an 800-volt architecture shared with Porsche 718 electron volts. Rear-wheel drive Concept C or optional Quattro AWD. Power estimated for 00600 plus HPH, higher in performance variants. Battery, high-density pack for good range, 300 plus miles possible. Acceleration 0-60 mph 3 for seconds. Top speed 155-180 plus mph. Active aero, torque vectoring, digital gearbox simulation, fake shifts, and synthetic sound. Handling: a low center of gravity, precise steering, balanced for road or canyon carving. It's not a track-only car. Audi emphasizes country roads and performance driving. Price in USD: estimated starting price $60,080 base coupe. Higher trims or Roadster: $90,120 plus. More affordable than Porsche 718 electron volts equivalents, but premium over old TT due to EV tech. Why it's exciting: after the TT and R8 ended, Audi lacked a halo sports car. This EV successor revives the brand's emotional side with minimalist design, electric torque, and fun dynamics. It could set Audi's new design language seen in future for e-tron, etc., and help rejuvenate the brand amid sales struggles.